awesome, man. Lovely.
That was fun.
That was extreme fun for me.
Oh yeah, it was good.
I can do that like a lot of times.
That was scary when we came over and I couldn't see.
It was scary, yeah.
I've never had that. That was oh.
I would rather sit with someone than drive.
Holy shit! Like
well,
that.
I think driving is more fun.
Not being able to see is a first for me.
Yeah, it's